In this video, you will see how to download QB64 software and install it in your PC. See, this is the link what I have shared with you. Then you will find this GitHub interface. Most of you have Windows 64-bit operating system. Then you need to click on any one of these two links. Let me click this one. Once you will click this link, you will see at the bottom left corner it is downloading. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. It depends, it varies PC to PC, the configuration of PCs. Then when it will complete downloading, then you need to double click to open the software. See, already it has done for my PC. Now I am double clicking, and when you will double click, you will see that two folders are there. One is written QB64 and another is empty, no name. Click on the QB64, you will get a exe file. Just double click. Installation has started. You can see the process here. 15% now, 20%, yes, it's increasing. Let's wait few minutes. The software is installing in your PC. You need to have patience. For the time being, just wait. See, it is almost done. Yes, it has done, and automatically the interface of QB64 has been opened in front of me. Just maximize the screen. Now you can see the full screen of QB64. You can start your programming here. First of all, I'll use here CLS command. CLS. This command is used for clear screen. CLS means to clear the content of the screen. We used to use this command. After that, I'm going to use print command. PRINT. Print, then a space, then double quotation, and using Left arrow key, I'm getting inside the double quotation. I'm writing here whatever I want to display in my screen. For say I want to write, I'm a student of DPSST school. I am a student Okay, now this is the time to execute it. See the status first. It's okay. That means I don't have any programming problem. I mean the coding problem. Just to run this program, you need to press F5 from your keyboard, or you can click on run, but run option here. Yes, then click on start. Again, you need to wait for a while, just few seconds. You will see in a black screen the within the quotation mark what you have written, it will appear. Just wait for few seconds. Yes, it is working now. See in the black color screen you can see whatever you have typed in between two quotation, it is displaying here. Now you know two commands and their use, how to use CLS screen, what is the purpose of it, to clear the content of the screen, and what is the function of print command. You need to know it. The function of print command is to display the output on the screen. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.